You see what I'm saying? Like, it's super super lightweight, like and hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Sylvia. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you're new, welcome, 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 welcome. And if you're returning, thank you, we appreciate you, boo boo. So today I am going to talk about this hair. I really like this hair. Like, I am feeling myself, and I don't know, like, I did this by myself, okay? Like, I am switching from wigs to braid. I don't know what it is, but yes, I am feeling this hair. This hair, it's Expression from Sensational, and is the Samba twist. It says it is 50 inches, but you know it's not 50, it's like 25, because 50, they consider 50 as like when you detangle it from like that to that, that's 50. But when you know what I mean, it's 25, okay? The length is 25, but the whole braid in itself, when it's pulled out, is 50. I really like this hair because, one, it's super super lightweight. Like, I could literally hold this with my finger if it's, you see what I'm saying? Like, it's super super lightweight, like and also it's full, okay? Because I have a big head, but I don't have a lot of hair on the big head. Like, my hair starts from like right here type thing, you know what I'm saying? And it's not a lot, okay? Although my hair is thick, but the hair in itself, it doesn't cover a lot of the area, my head area, okay? Let me put it like that. And I really appreciate the fact that it is thick and, you know, lightweight. Those are the main reasons that I like this hair. And also, I purchased this hair when it was on sale, so it was buy one get one free. And in that buy one get one free, I think it was like 50% off. So it was sales on sales, so it was really on sale, and then it was like buy one get one free. So I was like, oh yes. And I don't remember where I purchased it from. I don't know if it's from Elevate or Wig Styles or Sam, I don't know. I'm gonna put the name down in the description and the link as well. I purchased a color 2 because my hair color is not black, it's like brown, and a 2 is just the perfect, it's my hair color. They didn't have other, like, you know, bright colors like red or blonde or brown, because they were out of stock for those. But 2 is my color, so I was like, let me get 2. Well, let me get the color 2. But I purchased 3 packs, and since it was buy one get one free, 6 packs was delivered to me, and the delivery was super super fast. I think it was like 2 to 3 days, because I purchased on a Monday and I received it on a Thursday, and ever since it's just been there. So I was like, let me go ahead and do something with this hair. Also, I was gonna say something. Oh, I use only 4 packs instead of all 6, and I don't know, I feel like it's enough for me, because I don't like my hair to be too full. And the fact that usually the fact that I only get like braids because I want to put it in a bun works perfectly fine, because I don't want to be able to be, you know, I want to be able to grip the hair and not struggle because it is too much. So this works just perfectly fine for me. Initially I started putting in the middle part. I don't know why I kept playing myself, because I don't look okay in the middle part. I know my face, but yeah, so I had to like switch the side to side part. Also, the products that I did use was this and this with the hair. So this obviously is the Shine and Jam Holy Grail. If you're doing braids or anything, you should definitely have this, especially if your grip game is not the strongest, which mine isn't. My grip game sucks, okay? Which is why I never really do my hair, because whenever I do my hair by myself, it doesn't, like, it's not shiny and glowing. It doesn't look fresh, it doesn't look new. But this, I discovered this and it really helped me. Since now I'm part of the TWA community, I'm trying out here to be getting products and stuff. But yes, I use this and it works perfectly fine for me. Okay, what else? The next couple of clips will just show you guys my process and how I was able to, you know, crochet the hair. One tip that I would recommend, because this is a bigger crochet, I would definitely recommend that you should not tighten your single braids, because the tighter it gets, difficult it would be for the braid to actually go in and out. You know how you put the crochet, you put the braids in here and then pull it. So definitely don't make it too tight, because when you're pulling it, it might hurt if it's too tight, and it might not even go all the way through because it is too tight and this is big. So that's one thing I would definitely recommend you to do, which is not to hold the hair too tight. Okay, I think I'm talking too much, so please make sure to like this video, share, comment, and subscribe. Put out in the comments what else you think I should do. Ooh, I do know that I actually want to do the butterfly locks, the crochet ones. I didn't got time to be like doing it by myself, but I do know that some crochet locks are out now, but they're like slim version, and the thick version will be out pretty soon. I'm guessing before spring. So when it do come out, I'm definitely going to hop on that. But if you have seen it somewhere else, please make sure to put it down in the comments so I can actually purchase it and try it on for you guys. But yes, I like this hair. This is definitely my go-to. If it's something thick and lightweight, it is definitely a go-to for more. But yes, that is the end of the video. Like I did mention, please make sure to like the video, share, comment, definitely subscribe. Okay, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.